What's up everyone? Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Before we begin, make sure to hit the like and subscribe, and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon. We're posting 4 videos every day, so make sure to check back every single day. We've just hit 20k subscribers, so thank you all so much. Let's get to 30. Check out all the links in the description. Thousands of dollars of free crypto down there, along with signals, COINCALLS, TA, alpha and memes in our private Discord, accessed by signing up to our Patreon. You can also sign up to our brand new Udemy course for serious investors, where we've just released our Basics of Technical Analysis course. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. So just taking a quick look at Verasity here, and as we can see, we are still heading up in this big macro channel that we have been trading in for a good while now. We've outlined this recently. We do think it's got a lot of potential confluence. If we did see one last low to the roll to the downside for Verasity, we could be heading down towards this 1.4 cent area here and get the bounce to the upside back to the top of this this channel over the next 5-6 months, heading up towards what is this 16, maybe 20 cents, going into like, you know, June, July, August potentially. We do think Verasity, a quality project. Obviously, the fundamentals are absolutely ginormous in our opinion. They just keep getting better and better. They got a tier 1 exchange listing recently on Huobi. And you can see from a technical perspective here, we're down, looking like we're forming some very nice bullish divergences on the histogram here in terms of momentum. And you can see we're pretty much bottomed out here on our RSI, aren't we? We're just in and around that oversold level right now. Just here, maximum fear in the market. And you can see we've been stuck under the RSI ever since we were here, really. You can see bearish divergence here, so we roll over, but it looks like we've come down. We've actually reset the RSI fully now, and we're actually in oversold territory, waiting for that potential bounce back to fair value, probably towards the middle of this ascending channel here at around 4.5-5 cents at the lowest. So we'd say overall, Verasity looking completely fine. We do think that, you know, a lot of people are getting overly scared right now. The markets in general have been selling off because of, you know, macroeconomic conditions. A lot of senators in the US and, you know, high profile individuals selling stocks, you know, probably inside trading potentially for interest rate hikes in the future. A lot of, you know, uncertainty in the world, macroeconomic conditions, a bit of civil unrest in Ukraine as well. So just a lot of catalysts really for the markets to be selling off. And we've seen, you know, an overreaction for Bitcoin, which has led to Verasity getting dragged to the downside as well. But we do think, you know, Verasity is going to come good pretty damn soon. A very quality project in our opinion. You can see on the 1 hourly time frame, if we just take a quick look at the basically what's been happening over the past few weeks, you can see here that inverse head and shoulders hasn't actually played out yet. We are just kind of, you know, we had an inverse head and shoulders like this, but we've come back down to make another shoulder here. So potentially, you know, we are just going sideways, support resistance, and now we're kind of potentially coiling up here, something like this. And hopefully, considering, you know, all these bullish divergences that we are seeing, you can see all over the shop here. If we came down here again, we'd have another bullish divergence probably. We could hopefully see a pickup off the lows for Verasity soon, because on those higher time frames, it's horribly oversold, isn't it? And we do think sooner or later, you know, obviously the short term, always hard to predict, but we have said, you know, numerous times now that in the long term, Verasity is probably going to come good, isn't it? So on the daily time frame, super oversold. Like it's just basically waiting for that big macro reversal of trend back to the upside, isn't it? So we'll do short-term price predictions then, keep things short and sweet. But as always, before we do, make sure to go down in the description, sign up to the free Discord. It takes like 10 seconds. We really appreciate seeing you in there. We've got an amazing passive income and an amazing NFT community at the minute. We're finding so many gems out there because of our community. We've got daily crypto news, daily updates on the market. We've got daily technical analysis and memes. We've got all kinds of content in the Discord. To be honest, it's a ton of fun. So go check it out. And then if you do want an edge on the market, you can sign up to our Patreon. Also in the description, you'll get access to daily signals for Bitcoin. We've got alpha in there as well for potential 100x opportunities in the market. We've also got our own personal maxi moves where we'll tell you about all the things that we're doing personally as well. So if you want to go and sign up to that as well, support the channel, you can do, and become a crypto maximalist today. So with that all being said, if we roll to the downside, very simply, bottom of the range here, 1.77 cents support. Heading to the upside, top of the range at 1.25 cents. We want to be getting up, breaking this downtrend resistance and heading back up through our levels. And as we've said, you know, numerous times, we do think, you know, Veracity's got a really good potential for that one last impulsive wave in 2022, in our opinion. breaking this channel and heading up into that 50 cent to $1 region we've been looking for. So that's it, guys. We'd like to thank everyone so much for their support. If you've got any questions or suggestions, please leave them down below, and don't forget to subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon, to stay up to date with the 4 videos we post every single day. Make sure to join the Patreon or YouTube membership to support us, as well as getting a ton of benefits. Crypto Maximalists will get access to daily signals, coin calls, alpha on new projects, 10x potential cryptos, and insight into our own personal moves, while Maximalist Gold takes you beyond, giving you a look at our personal portfolio, super low cap gems, and a 100x potential portfolio, and constant access to us personally as a resource. We're constantly in the Discord posting daily and chatting to members, and we'll be hosting giveaways soon, so come join the community rich in value and content. If you're serious about your education, you can also sign up to our newly launched Udemy course, which comes as standard with the Basics of Technical Analysis 10-part course, which details an overview of everything we do on this channel regarding chart theory, with examples and demonstrations. We'll also be adding multiple times a week to 2 other courses on our Udemy, which will be the Market Psychology and Strategies and Crypto Deep Dives and Ratings courses. These will be constantly updated into the future to provide value to the most dedicated of the community to knowledge and learning. We get continuous questions regarding technical analysis, particular cryptocurrencies, and for advice in certain market conditions, and you'll find the answers to these questions in the Udemy ongoing in the future. This community will be full of the highest quality individuals and is going to be an extremely valuable place to be, in our opinion. If you want to sign up, the link is in the description. Remember, you can also join the public section of the Discord too, totally for free, where we post news, technical analysis, updates on the markets, larger cap gems, and the occasional meme. There's absolutely no reason not to get involved with all that value. Links are in the description for everything we've mentioned here. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.